Hey guys, Pajama Prepper here. All right, so it's the storm just picked up here down in Beacon Falls. Oh man, it's gonna knock my camera over soon. Pouring out, I don't have my jacket on. Look at that. Oh, yeah, there it goes again. There it goes again. There it goes again. Oh, shit. All right, just that like 10 seconds get out of the car to fix the camera and it fucking fell over again. I got soaked. Oh my God. Look at that. My phone's soaked. I gotta dry that off. Wow. Oh my God. All right, so yeah, this again, if I knew this storm was gonna happen today, I didn't know until like an hour ago. Would have brought my freaking raincoat. Hopefully it'll pass soon. My camera's down for the count. My tripod broke. Ugh. I've off all this freaking water. I'm soaked. It's fun though. Oh my God. That was just insane. I'm gonna have to get out of that tripod soon. Oh man.